Hi guys, Leah here with H2KAKWS. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am finishing up the little mini album that I created using my How to Kill a KWS style kit for March, and I'm going to be filling it with embellishments and photos and journaling of my grandbabies, Grace and Peyton. So this will be a little album that I sent to my mom and dad along with the one I made last month for Colton. And yeah, so I have several photos. I have one that I want to go in that front page, but it's too big to go on either side. So I split it, I cut it down the middle and glued it in over the seam so that it folds nice. And then on that next page, I'm going to put down a photo of the two, Grace and Peyton, together again. And I'm going to get that placed where I want it. And I'm going to go through and place all of my photos. Now, some of them I do end up, shortening, just like I did that one of Peyton there, because of the pocket and the thumb hole at the top for the pockets. So I'll end up shortening this one as well of Grace and just trimming that off. So this is a fairly quick process. I already had my photos printed. They're all printed down to 3x4 with a thin white border. I'm just trimming off that tag there, the back of it, so that it closes better. And then I will go in and do my journaling. And so I'm just including little bits about the girls, like, on the green journaling card, it says Grace and Peyton are such fun little farts, 2.5 and 4.5 years old in these photos. The pink one says, the girls love to come and visit at Papa's house, and oh my gosh, they make us laugh. They will always pose for a photo. And then on the purple tag, it says, when they come to Papa's house, they know what paper they are allowed to draw on, because that photo of Peyton on the left is of her drawing pictures for Papa. And then the love card says, Grace is very smart and compassionate. Peyton is the mischievous one, so she can always be destructive, and her unofficial nickname is Bam Bam. So yeah, I get the journaling down, and then I'm just going to embellish. So I embellish with some stickers and some puffy stickers from that Dear Lizzie sticker sheet. Some stickers from the Bloom Street collection. I used some of the word strips that came on that one sheet of 12x12 paper that I cut apart. I used some puffy stickers from the Paige Evans. I can't remember what collection it is. It was a different collection than the paper pad, so it might have been Horizons. No, not Horizon. Oh, I can't remember. And it's not Truly Grateful. Wow. Okay. Anyways, I use a few of the puffy stickers from there. There it is right there. And that is the set, but I can't remember what it's called. So I do title this little mini album Sweet Sunshine, and I use those puffy word stickers that go with the Bloom Street collection. I use up a fair amount of this sticker sheet. Now I do end up finishing it, using more of it on the last project that I completed, although I did not do a video of it, but you will see it in my wrap-up video for How to Kill a Kit with Style this month. So yeah, I'm just going to add all the little bits and bobs throughout the book, as well as that title there that I've added. Yeah, just some decorating, some enamel dots a little bit. Actually, no enamel dots on the inside of the book, but there are some on the cover that I had added. Some hearts, some puffy stickers, some word stickers, or word strips, I should say. In the Bloom Street sticker book, there are some, they look like washi strips, but they're just stickered. So I do add those to a few of the pages, just to add that little bit of extra embellishment. The girls are very photogenic. They love having their photos taken, as you'll see in the last photo of Peyton. She is saying cheese for me in that photo. Pardon me, sorry. This is one of the word strips that came. There's the whole pile of them. I didn't use very many. I probably should have just cut apart half the page, but I didn't. I went full bore and cut apart the whole page. So I will have word strips to use for layouts for the next 10 years, I'm sure. I get 2 down on that last page of Peyton. It says beautiful laughter. And I do end up adding a flower and a snail and a heart, and then a couple of puffy hearts and a puffy butterfly. So this will be just a nice little gift to send to my mom and dad to let them get to know the grandbabies, or in their case, the great grandbabies. Peyton and Grace are my partner's grandbabies, but I do consider them mine. So they are my family as well. And yeah, I just kind of go through and add stickers and little embellishments where I feel they fit. I added some little ladybugs to this page, both sides of this page actually, the tag and the photo. And one as well on that first big page that says Sweet Sunshine. Underneath a sticker that says enjoy the little things. And I'm just going back through to see if there's anything else I missed. Now, I did decorate and put little tiny photos on those tags. My camera cut out, so I lost the footage for that, but I do show a quick photo here, clip at the end, showing you what they look like all finished. And thanks for joining me today.